Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about how to clean and condition your leather products. First off, we recommend using all-natural products like our leather care kit, which includes our specially formatted leather cleaner and Smith's all-natural leather balm. You'll also need a few soft microfiber cloths. Step number 1 is using the leather cleaner to clean off any dirt, stains, or scuff marks that your bag may have acquired during your daily adventures. You'll start by spraying it directly over the area that is in need of cleaning, and then wiping off the excess with your microfiber cloth and buffing in circular motions to remove any scuff marks or debris. After cleaning your bag, we recommend waiting 24 hours for the leather to dry before conditioning. Step number 2 is conditioning using Smith's Leather Balm. We recommend conditioning your leather products every 4 to 6 months to ensure they remain in tip-top shape. Using a soft cloth or your hands, apply a small amount of the balm evenly onto your handbag. We recommend using your hands as the warmth of your body will help melt the balm and make the conditioning process easier. It also acts as a great hand moisturizer. After applying the conditioner to your entire bag, take a clean cloth and in circular motions wipe off any excess product. Let your handbag set for approximately 2 hours and then buff out the leather using a soft cloth to add an extra shine. Once complete, let your handbag air dry for approximately 24 hours and then you're finished.